Well, thank you very much. It's an honor and a privilege to be here. I see Trish Monroe, one of our former council members here. Thank you for being here as well. So this is about bringing the community together. And I'm very proud to represent Livermore because Livermore is a very diverse community. We have mosques, gurdwaras, we have temples, and it's truly a remarkable community. We have interfaith interact, and we have interfaith housing. And these were created years ago where people had come together because they realized that there were others in the community that needed outreach, that they needed additional help. And this is what the community does. We come together, we reach out to help others. There's a wonderful story of a rabbi who had a dream. And he had a vision of heaven and a vision of hell. And in the vision of hell, the people had, they could not bend their arms. And they were sitting at this magnificent banquet table, heavily laden with food and drink. And they couldn't bend their arms so they were all starving. And then he had the vision of heaven. And he was in this great hall, and these people were sitting at this huge table laden with food and drink. And they're chatting, and they're eating, and they're drinking, and they're having a marvelous time. And they couldn't bend their arms either. Their arms were stiff as well. The difference was they were feeding each other. They were reaching across the table so that all could eat. They were serving each other. And that's the difference in that dream between heaven and hell. In hell, people are serving themselves. They're trying to serve themselves because it's all about them. But in heaven, it's all about serving other people and helping others. And that's why we're here today, is we're here to help each other. We're here to lift each other up. We're here to serve each other and to serve our community. And thank you all for being here. This is what the community is about. Thank you.